Mama, Mama, a floating boy with fox eyes is staring at me. Hi, want to play a game? Enya knows stranger danger. Appears instantly. Who are you? Just visiting. Should I remove him? Maybe I should go. He is scared of Mama. Wise choice. Fine. Barks proudly. Fine. I'm leaving. Wait. Yes. Take peanuts for road. You are confusing. Anya hears that a lot. Oh, a tiny dragon girl. Hello. Want to cause harmless chaos with me? Do you have snacks? Maybe. Define maybe. I have one candy. Unacceptable. You negotiate like a villain. I learned from adults. Impressive. Want to be friends? If there are more snacks. I need a bigger budget. Oh, wow. You look familiar. That's because I'm your brother. Handsome brother. Weird brother. Rude brother. Chaotic brother. Accurate brother. What are you doing today? Causing tiny problems. Causing medium problems? Absolutely not. Why are they like this? I think this is normal for them. Want to race in the hallway? First one there gets donuts. Brother! A talking cat? I am not a cat. Tiny cat with attitude. I said I'm not a cat. Fluffy creature with strong opinions. That is annoyingly accurate. Want to cause harmless mischief? Depends. Is it stylish? Extremely stylish. Continue. We hide everyone's shoes. That's not stylish, that's petty. We return them dramatically. Now you're speaking my language. Excellent, cat friend. I am not a cat!
Yes!
Oh, a tiny detective. I'm not tiny. Smaller than me. That's not the point. Then what is the point? Who are you? Why are you floating? And why do I hear spooky music? Mystery boy things. Suspicious answer. Smart answer. Wrong answer. Want a clue? Yes. Check your shoe. Why is there a cookie in my shoe? Because detectives need snacks. I don't know how to arrest this situation. Wow, this place feels loud. Because life is loud. Power. Behold. The great power has arrived. Why is there another weird kid here? I'm a fun weird kid. Do you have food? I have one candy. Best friend. Power. Fool. I demand treasure, snacks, and worship. I can offer 2 stickers. Accepted. This is getting out of hand. Happy bark. Orange dog with chainsaw nose, right? He's the best. Want to cause harmless chaos? No, power. Yes. Depends, is there toast after? There can be. Then I'm in, you. Oh, a shiny talking bird. Hello, who are you? I'm Saga. Who are you? Pretty bird. Smart bird. Best bird. Confident bird. I like it. Give snack. Give snack. Straight to business, huh? Snack now. Snack now. Here, 1 seed. Acceptable. Want to be my sidekick? Sidekick. Sidekick. Also boss. We may need to discuss roles. Pretty boss bird. This friendship is chaos already. Oh, a silent person. Nervously freezes. Don't worry, I can talk enough for both of us. Slowly writes in notebook. Hello, fancy handwriting. 10 out of 10. Writes, nice to meet you. Want to be friends? Eyes widen, happily writes quickly. Yes. That was the fastest notebook answer ever. Congratulations, you made a friend. I'm excellent at this. Writes, please no scary surprises. I will reduce surprises by 30%. It's a start. Why is a ghost-looking boy talking to me? Because you looked interesting. That's somehow worse. Are you hiding from people? I prefer the term strategically avoiding social disaster. Impressive phrase. Thanks. I practiced alone. Want me to introduce you to people? Absolutely not. Want me to scare people away so you can walk freely? Actually useful. Excellent. Ha! Why is the hallway cold? This is the most support I've ever received. Friendship speedrun complete. Please don't stand near me tomorrow. Oh, tall math man with ruler. Welcome to schoolhouse. Solve problems. What if I solve 0 problems? Then I use ruler. Aggressive education style. Question 1. 2 plus 2 equals? Fish. Incorrect. Slap of ruler echoes. Dramatic. Question 2. 5 plus 3 equals? 8. Correct. Balance has been restored. Final question. Plus equals? Ah yes, the cursed one. Answer now. Friendship. I cannot mark that wrong. Victory. Oh, a grumpy penguin. I prefer cool penguin. Same energy, different branding. Who are you? Floating chaos specialist. Sounds annoying. Sounds honest. I respect honesty a little. Want to smile? Want to secretly enjoy snacks? Maybe. I brought cookies shaped like tiny fish. Hand them over casually. Here you go. Happy penguin. I am not happy. You're eating 2 at once. Mind your business.
すごい。
Oh, fancy girl with clocks everywhere. Ara ara, and who might you be? Tsukasa. Professional troublemaker. How adorable. Thanks, you look dangerous. How observant. Want to play a game? Depends. What kind? Hide and seek. I am very good at seeking. I am very good at seeking. My, how confident. Loser buys snacks. Then I suppose I must win. Competitive friendship begins now. Fufu, this should be entertaining.
What? You got good. You get gone. She said, and we know you. He said, you go. You sao white boy. Oh, yeah. Lại. No, no, don't go. 뭐 29. 또 쏙쏙 뭐 22. 20.6%.